What's going on, folks? In this video we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2006 Mercedes S500. So let's get right to it. Take you a 14mm socket and unscrew the oil pan bolt, and make sure that you got you a big container to catch all that fluid. That's about damn near 9 liters of oil right there coming out. Don't do like I did and have you a big mess. Cause look at it, it's almost full, but it ain't done yet. So while that's draining, go ahead and change the oil filter. So pop in that new oil filter. And for the O-rings, you're gonna want you a tool something like this to pry out the old O-rings. The O-rings are gonna be right here, here, and right there. So go ahead and screw that bad boy back on. And we almost done, baby. Oh well, you thought that oil change was hard? Come on, man, it's real simple. What I look like paying Speedy or Jiffy Lube $109 just to change my oil? Get out of here! It's COVID-19. It's hard times, man. And do not, I repeat, do not forget to screw back on the oil pan bolt before pouring in that new oil. Now pour in that 8.7 liters. And you done, boy. That's it, that's all.